Welcome back to the Empowerment Hour, hosted by your self-care sis and your business bestie, Cassandra. This is the space where confidence meets coins and peace meets purpose. We're not just building businesses, we're building legacies. Softly, of course.
Oh yeah, me I dey build my world the way I like. No time for wahala and no time for fight. See the sweet life way I design, because my own shine must to shine. I know say I be your motto leko. My confidence dey for overflow. Them no fi stop this glowing. No, you are enough. You are enough. Yeah, you are enough. Sure. You are enough.
Hi my loves, welcome back to the show. I'm so excited for today's episode because we're talking about freedom. Let me ask you a real question. What if you could wake up on Monday morning with a link in your bio that actually makes you money whilst you're at your 9 to 5 or getting your beauty sleep? What if you could create and launch your first ever digital product in just 1 week or 1 weekend? I know what you're thinking. Cassandra, I'm not a tech wizard. I don't have a graphics design degree. I don't even have a ring light yet. Listen to me, you don't need any of that. I created my first digital product with a cracked screen phone. And in fact, it's still cracked. I wanted to show you the crack, but it's still cracked, as you guys can see. A free Canva account and a whole lot of courage and audacity. Today, I'm giving you the 48-hour blueprint. No fluff, just results. Before we get into the how, we have to fix the why not. The biggest thing stopping you isn't the tech. It's the lie that you keep telling yourself that you need to be an expert with a capital E. Let's debunk 3 myths right now. Number 1, I'm not techie. Sis, if you can post on TikTok and Instagram and order on Amazon, you can use the tools that I'm about to share with you today. Yes, we're keeping it auntie friendly and tech wise. 2, I don't have enough followers. You don't need 100k followers to sell a £17 guide. What you need is 10 people who have the problem you've just solved. 3, it's already been done. The truth is, yes, it has. It's been done over and over and over again, but not by you. People don't just buy information, they buy your perspective and your shortcuts. The golden rule is that your product is simple and simply a solution to a problem that you've already overcome. If you figured out how to meal prep, how to get over a breakup, or how to organize your Google Calendar, that is a product. Stop overthinking it. Someone is praying for that shortcut that you're sitting on. As usual, grab your notebook from www.esandor.com. If you're wanting the hard copy like mine, it's available on Amazon and I will leave the links down below in the description box. Now that you've got your notebook, here's your Friday to Sunday roadmap to getting paid. Step 1, choose your topic. Let's say Friday night. One of my old managers said this phrase to me. At the time, I was so highly offended, but listen, do not reinvent the wheel. Don't do it. It's a waste of time. Ask yourself, what do people always DM me or ask me about in real life? Or what can I teach or talk about for 10 minutes without needing notes? Or for example, you're a mum with 3 kids, but your house is always in tiptoe shape and people are constantly asking you, Sarah, how do you always manage to have your house in such a clean state, even with your 3 kids? That's your cue, girl. Your product is a 15-minute reset checklist. That's simple. Step 2, pick your format. Because this is your first one, keep it simple and choose just one. This can be a PDF guide, a simple how-to written in Canva, Notion templates if you're an organization queen, and the final one, video masterclass, just you, your phone, and 20 minutes of gems. Step 3 is to write your framework. This can be done on Saturday night. For example, outline 3 to 5 simple steps. Don't write a novel because this can make the reader very bored. People want to see the transformation, not 100 pages textbook. Give them a quick win first. Step 4, design it softly. Open up Canva, search for ebook template, use any color of your choice, but I'm thinking neutral, such as soft colors, sage greens, cream, or even soft pinks. Add your logo if you don't have one already. You can also create this on Canva, or just your name in a pretty font. Remember, done is better than perfect. If you spend 5 hours picking font, picking picking colors, girl, you're self-sabotaging. Pick one and move on. Step 5, upload this PDF file to your stand store. And if you're struggling to set up your stand store, I do have a how-to guide, which is very simple, available in my stand store, which is linked in the description box below. This is the tech secret. Using a stand store only takes 5 minutes to upload and to set up your listing. Upload your PDF file, set your price. I recommend anything between £7 to £27 for your first low ticket offer. And just like that, your checkout page is live. Step 6, create your 3 hype posts. This can be done on Sunday. Don't just say buy my thing or buy now. Instead, say these. The why. Share why you created this product in the first place. Share the behind the scenes, aka BTS. Show a short clip of you scrolling through your product to give people an idea and a glimpse of what they're paying for and what you have to offer. Then the transformation. Tell them exactly what life looks like after they use your guide. Step 7, which can also be done on Sunday, is post and reset. Publish, share the link, then put your phone on D&D and go do some self-care, queen. You definitely deserve it after all that hard work, because you're now officially a digital entrepreneur. Let's look at a real life example. Let's say you lost 20 kgs, which is something I'm trying to lose right now and struggling heavy, honestly. Instead of writing a whole fitness book, you can create the 5 weight loss kickstart guide. Page 1, your story and the inspiration. Page 2, your go-to grocery list. Page 3, your 3 favorite quick and healthy 15 minutes meals. Page 4, the mindset shift that you used that worked for you. Page 5, a 7-day habit tracker. Total page 5, value infinite. Price it at £12. If 10 people buy that this week, that is your grocery money covered. If 100 buy it, well, that's your spa day paid for. Listen, sis, your first product is not going to be your last product. It might even feel a little bit cringy looking back in a year. Good, that means you've grown. Remember, you're allowed to start messy. Your audience want realness, not a polished corporate presentation. You're not just selling pages, you're selling a lifeline. You're selling someone their time back. You're selling them the confidence that you already have. If you're listening to this and you're saying to yourself, I need the template, Cass, I've got you. I've put together a digital product starter kit. It has 3 Canva templates, a walkthrough on how I set up my Canva store, and 10 promotional hooks you can copy and paste right now. I will link this down below in the description box. The weekend challenge. I want to hear your ideas. Comment down below weekend and write what you're starting this weekend that not only protects your peace but protects your coins and gives you purpose. I know today has been full on, so I'll give you a quick recap on things that we covered today. We covered the mindset that kills the I'm not techie excuses. We also covered the 7 key steps to go from idea to launch in 48 hours. And we also covered how to sell with soul and not stress. Next week, we're talking branding for baddies. How to stand out online without doing the most. Because your brand should feel like you, not a copy of everybody else. You've been listening to the Empowerment Hour with your girl, Sandrah. Stay soft, stay rich, and stay ready. Love you. Mean it. Bye, girls.
You are enough. You are enough. Yeah, you are